So you're telling me artisans के साथ काम करना
प्लीज
बहुत अच्छा तरीका
बहुत
है।
इंपॉर्टेंट
हाँ।
तरीका है बिकॉज artisans are disappearing. I've had Sameer Dada, who's been my artisan since 2013.
Okay.
Because partly when I was launching Nimai, I was also trying to launch a glass jewelry brand called Bangda Sarali, which we then later renamed at Ikru. And I was launching it with one of my closest friends, who then, took the brand forward because Nimai was becoming an entity in itself. But we met Sameer Dada, who came from a tiny village in West Bengal, and he was a traditional gold and diamond karigar. And he was so proud of the settings in that he did. And when we went to him and said that, Dada, हमें कांच में ज्वेलरी बनाना है, it was almost, he was embarrassed to say no to us. He said, मैं इन सब में काम नहीं करता हूँ.
Okay.
And then when he started working with us and I started spending more and more time with him, I learned such sad stories like how an entire village was wiped out, how karigari, which is by default a male-driven occupation, and boys learn it from their grandfathers or fathers, the same fathers were shying away from passing on the skill set to the kids because there was no growth in it. Because a karigar might charge, let's say, 500 rupees for a pair of earrings. The same pair of earrings can be selling for 50,000 rupees for your kid. So rich are becoming richer and the poor are becoming poorer. And the karigar whose skill set is bringing a certain piece to life, but there is no representation to him.
Yeah.
So these karigars work in dismal conditions where by the time they're 45 years old, they've already started losing their eyesight. And and more I started working with them, I realized that, oh man, this is the real skill set, this is the real space. We were supporting Sameer Dada all throughout pandemic. And now we're bringing Sameer Dada, we're creating collections with Sameer Dada.
Okay.
And I'm trying to encourage more karigars to come and, join us, where we want to create connections, we want to create brands for the karigars. So yeah, that's a very exciting part.
Thank you for watching my clips. If you want more clips like this, please follow my channel, the SMS India Clips.